So hello guys, in this lecture we'll discuss how we can merge objects together, right? So there are plenty of options in JavaScript. So we can create shallow or deep copies, right, with some of these functionalities. So let's try them one by one. So we can use spread operator to merge objects, right? So let's suppose we have two objects here, X and Y. So what we can do is we can use spread operator like this, right? Triple dots and then Y. So now if we check it, so as we can see that objects are merged now, right? And the common properties will be overridden by the later one, right? So in this case, 1 is overridden by 3. Let me check, right? So next option is to use Object.assign function here, right? So it is a static function. So what we can do is, let's just comment it, Object.assign and X comma Y. We can also use multiple objects here, right? So this one is a target object and this one is the source object here. So it will also return a new target object, right? So if we now check it again, the objects are again merged, right? So in this case, the value of X will also be the same targeted object, right? If we try to print X, the value will be same, right? So Z and X are both target objects which are merged, right? Okay, so in the same way, we can also add multiple source objects to the target object, right? So what we can do is now we can also add T and U here. So all of these objects will be merged, right? So now let's see again the output. So now as we can see, all the objects are merged, right? So I hope you like the video guys, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.